Remember, the 16 world-class drivers, factory cars out there, and he's running 11. So this time I think he's going to be beaten to the line by Ari as here at Manukau City, Star and Action here. They come to the finish line. Start finish straight. Freddy Liox is it looks like he's going to be our stage winner, as it were, this time around. He's going to get there just a little bit quicker, I think, than the Seat. Start with him side by side and so close as they come down under the finish banner for the first. He lifts his game when he has to and put on a great show, and he comes on to the start finish straight. He's got just that little bit of a lead at this stage from Carlos Sainz. Popular Spanish Spaniard is the previous winner of the Rally of New Zealand on the inside. Oh, look how close it is as Kankunen comes up. Gronholm is on the outside as they get away from the start finish line. Down the start finish straight they come, and look out. Tommi Makinen. Side. Oh, the flying fin Makinen, will he be able to get to the finish line before Gronholm on the outside as they come down to the finish banner? Is absolutely no. They're off from the start, man. It is a clean start from the two Englishmen. To recover from this will Colin McRae. But Richard Burns, the man who has all the problems today on the Propecia Rally of New Zealand by being the sweeper out there, everybody else behind him throughout the day. Here's his opportunity to get on the... Here's Burns. Now Burns on the Subaru on the outside. I think he's just got too far to go. And I think he's going to have to give way just a little bit to the Ford Focus. Oh! Very, very competitive a rally car. Of course, this is the first year that you guys have been running in the Possum Bourne. On the inside, Possum Bourne, Eriksson on! The Eriksson might have just got it. Before they come back to us, we have a Daniel Luck up here in the dad. If you want Daniel, he's up here in the broadcasting box. It looks like he might actually beat the punch here too as they come up to the start finish line. This guy is Solberg and Delecour currently leading the rally. Goes this way. He got that absolute. Going up to the like he's going to make it turn on. Well, here they go, the competition is certainly on the far end. You'll be coming on to the outside track, so Auriol is in Kankunen. Little steer for Auriol, but I don't think it's quite enough as they come to the start of the line. Auriol will have to settle for the slower time. And brilliant start for Carlos. Water splash. Between them here, that is Carlos Sainz, and it's a minus early on the inside. So it's a very popular Spaniard. It looks like he's going to get quicker at the bit of time. As they come to the start finish line, absolutely. Exuberant driving style. Well, we're certainly in for a great night tonight. It's been absolutely superb so far tonight. And it looks like he's going to get a burn out on the second opportunity here at the Manukau City Special Super Stage. And he crosses the line just a little. They're trying hard, no doubt about it. They are really squeezing on the outside. They're going to do a good time here. The lights flick on. This is the last time round, the Burns will come through. And Burns and Makinen hit the start finish straight away. And it looks leading, I believe, over the Vingo Bridge. Yeah.